we're starting this. No mics because I totally forgot to hook them up. But first of all, check this out. Official UTM Trek merch. I will probably link the website at some point in this video, and it'll be in the bio as well. Or, not the bio, the description, sorry. Too much Instagram. Anyway, this is going to be a very underwhelming and probably not very exciting video, but we are going to replace the air filter on the Beat. That's it. Okay. Microphone should be connected now, which is good. I'm just going to show you, there's a couple updates. I got the Momo wheel back in the Beat. It's a lot of fun to drive with. It's really small, so it feels like a go-kart. But the only annoying thing is, let me see if I can demonstrate. Since it's so small, it covers so much. It covers, when I'm sitting in the car, it covers from above 4,000 RPM to here. I can hardly see any of my lights. And the speedo, I can only see to about 80 kilometers an hour, which is about all I really use just going around town. So it's like, I don't know. It is fun though. It is fun to have the quick release and stuff. But another thing is like the turn signals also don't automatically reset after you like turn back. I just locked it. And so you kind of have to always mess with that. That plus they feel super long since the steering wheel is so small. Because like, so look at this. Try and get a gauge. It's pretty small. The OEM Beat wheel is huge. It's way bigger. And so it's a lot heavier too. So this is just kind of a something to mix it up a little bit. Here, I just want to unlock the steering wheel. There we go. So I'm also going to show you guys the other new party trick that I've learned, which is I can solo the hard top. It's very impressive, trust me. It's pretty standard. You just pop all the latches. There's only 3 of them. This usually falls out. So I'm actually just going to take this out and put it up here. Oh, I cracked it. That stinks. In a couple spots, that's whatever. So you pop it. And then here comes the magic part. You grab here, like above the driver's side, and then you grab the middle where the Mugen sticker is. And you just kind of pick it up and lean it onto you. It's big, and you don't know what it's going to catch onto. However, it's not very heavy, so it's like take as many tries or as much time as you need. And you see that's it. So now we just need to pop open the engine compartment as well as the one over there, the little access panel that hides the intake. I'm actually going to put this upside down. Boom. Yeah, so we got to remove this one to get access to the general engine, and then we're going to remove this panel as well. There's some sneaky little bolts hiding behind this fabric here, and this really gets to the intake. We might be able to do it with just this, but I don't know. We'll see. We want, not that, that's the flashlight. There we go. The ratchet. We're just going to use Craig's extenders because they're easier to get out than mine. He has a safety. It's pretty fun. That's righty-tighty. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Not lefty-tighty because you're a loser.
Wrong! Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Not lefty-tighty, mess it up because you're a loser.
This one is so... You see how sticky this is? I spilled a Coke back here. I have a video of it on the 360 cam, I believe. It was for another YouTube video that I meant to edit, or I meant to make, but I never finished editing because my computer's been giving me a lot of issues with storage, as a Mac does. And so I wasn't able to finish that video. I still might finish it and put it out. It was kind of just running errands and stuff, but I drive both the cars in it. So here, I'll take this off real quick. You can see the intake is right there. And yeah, it'll probably be easiest if I remove this other panel. Yeah, look, secret storage. And here's also a storage compartment that Beats come with, but I don't really want to open it because I have documents and stuff in there. The car's title is in there. I'm kidding. We'll just go with that. There we go. Yep, I love having a mid-engine. It's never inconvenient to do anything on this car. You can see there's more Coke. Oh, it's so gross. Okay. It just, the whole thing wants to come off. I just want the filter. There we go. Okay, cool. Cool, look at this pretty little thing. Also, yeah, I think the 150 is going to be way too big. We might have to modify it. Okay, so it looks like we have to remove all of these little guys. And then this should pop apart, and we can stuff the new filter in and fit it to the cage. Seems pretty straightforward. Also, this is like heavy. But yeah, you see there's all this room here for, I guess, bigger intakes. I don't know, the OEM intake is pretty large. It's sitting over there somewhere in that pile, so cool. This is pretty looking. Made in Japan since 1973. Oh, dude, Allen keys are literally the worst things ever created. I hate them so much. Wow, it does the trick. Who would have guessed? Okay. Oh, yeah, no, look, right here it says it's a 150. Okay, so we're good. We got the right filter. Oh, those are tiny. Damn. And now it's stuck to the damn thing. Yeah, that's not coming off. Okay. There we go. Okay. We're just going to go through all of these. How many are there? 8? The nice thing is they're literally so little. Squeak. This is going to be a bad idea, and this is how I destroy all of these. Great. Okay. The nice thing is this tool is going to work. We're just, you know what? We're going to take this into the kitchen, and we're going to finish it there. There are 3 left. Here's the hardtop. We put it on the beanbag. Do you guys like the puzzle I did? I did it in like an hour. I speed ran it. Okay, cool. So, boom. Cool. It looks like there's some melting here. It doesn't look good. Anyway, that is really cool. We're probably gonna have to clean all this stuff. The red ring. Does this actually like unscrew? Oh. This is cool. I've never rebuilt one of these before, obviously. Okay, yeah, we'll see if I can actually remember how to put it back together. Okay. Look at it. It's all like, you can see the marks on it from the cage. Okay, cool. Just on our kitchen table. Hermit's probably so happy. Yep, that's the right size. Look at how dirty my hands are. We're gonna wash them real quick. All right, just gonna get a shop towel. Boop. We're gonna run back inside. HKS, HKS. This is so cool. I definitely recommend getting one of these for your car. If your car has like a thing where you can fit an HKS intake, or if there's an HKS intake like build for it. I really want to get one for the Z because it's turbo and it'll make the induction sound so cool. Okay. Now we may open this. Oops. And there we go. Actually, here, let's get a side by side. Actually, yeah, that one looks so much bigger than this one. Maybe this one's just compressed because of the heat. I don't know. Because I think the next size is like a 100, which is, yeah, definitely way too small. We're just going to fold it up like that. I'm like trying to show the camera, so I'm not really seeing it myself. So y'all will just have to tell me how it looks. Okay. We're going to try this. And if the car does not sound right, then we'll redo it. I'll tighten down. Just going to keep packing it. Trying to just fill out the space that we're given. Okay. So now we do this guy, right? Clicks around. It's making a clicking noise, which that's always good, right? It's like Lego. This is looking much better. This is how it should look, more or less. Come on. Okay, come on. I can do this. I can get one little screw to thread. We're just trying to adjust this a little bit. Cool. The rest of them are all out in the garage. The ones that I was dropping all over the place earlier. all this. I recently had to re-bleed the clutch on this car for like the billionth time. I really got to get the right bits for these. You see, it just falls out every time. And we will admire the finished build, the finished piece. That looks way nice, doesn't it? There we go. Okay, cool. Time to put it back in the car. Here, stay. But yeah, so the whole HKS intake is this really nice little kit. So this right here is OEM, and then this little piping is part of the kit. This is all part of the kit, as well as a filter from the beginning. And then this bracket, which is down here. I'm not sure if you can see it very clear. So it's really easy. I mean, it took an afternoon, not even an afternoon. It was like a 30-minute thing. Yeah, and I love the HKS intake and the filter. It looks cool. That plus it is adjustable, so you can move it up or down if you want, just to get it to fit better, whatever you think is gonna. I mean, it's a Honda Beat. I'm not really concerned about getting the most performance. I kind of just like the way it sounds, and I like having HKS intake and exhaust on my car. It feels more JDM that way. You know what I'm saying? My one complaint about this tool is that to change the direction, it's like the opposite of what you think it should be, which is really weird. Okay, so the microphone, we're gonna angle this down a little bit so you guys can see the motor and the mount. So the microphone, this is gonna go, I think there is good, just above the intake, and hopefully we'll get some cool intake noises. Wow, so we're down the street a little bit now, and I heard like this really loud, terrible metal like boom sound, and I have no idea what that was. I think maybe something fell or clicked into place. Maybe it was the seat clicking back into place after I moved it up. That's probably what it was. But yeah, I mean, it sounds good. Dude, this car is loud as hell without the engine cover on. I mean, like, imagine with the hardtop on so it can just sit inside and resonate. That would be ridiculous. Like, on my sunrise, that's kind of a cool spot for it. I wonder how much engine noise you're going to be able to get from this. Now I have the mic hooked up to my hoodie. Also, school just got out, so there are a bunch of cars and kids and people, so just, you know, gotta be safe, gotta be careful. I was definitely speeding there, but that's okay. Oh, it sounds so good. I wish I had better audio clips of this car's factory intake, because it sounds so much beefier now. It sounds real meaty and deep. It used to be a lot more high pitch. Oh man, it sounds so damn good. It sounds so cool. Whoa, okay, well, that was good timing for that to fall. It is 2:51, so we got some time, which is good. Whoops. Okay, well, that's enough for me. The big fabric cover on. And now we can replace the hard top. Just gotta fold these down. Those could really be clean, huh? Those aren't in the shot. You guys might get to see some refrigerant, that's okay. It's not hit the mirrors on either cars. I'm like looking through the window. Okay. Let's see. It needs to come up a little bit. Whew. It's definitely harder getting it on than taking it off. There's a lot more to line up. That plus sometimes it likes to sit on the hooks, and then you have to like keep picking up the thing and getting the hooks back out like I just did there. Now that is hardtop is back on, which is good. And now we just need to get that big long plastic piece, which is over here. And then this goes on the middle. It's kind of sitting funny on it. Here. Okay, cool. Well, it is all back together. Got the new intake in, or not new intake, but new filter. And that's probably gonna do it for the video. So thank you for watching. Peace out.